Hello students, today we are going to fill the exercise of chapter 4 English first. The first one is fill in the blanks. All of you write, please fill in the blanks in your book. If you have no book, then you all write these exercises in your rough copy. All of you see, there was a big boulder boulder on the road. The king was very good and kind. The king went out at night. Nobody was ready to help the young man. The king gave the young man gifts. Now filling the blanks is completed. All of you all write this question answer in your copy and in your book also. We already discussed about this question answer. All of you fill the question answer here also. Now, page number 22, some vocabulary. Here, number 3rd, some words are underlined below. Here, some words are underlined. Fill in the blanks with the opposite. Here are some words given. All of you write from here opposite word for it. 1. Number 1. George is lazy but Vinay is what? Opposite of lazy. What? Wise or active? Active. So all of you write here active. There are big animals and dash animals in the forest. Opposite of big is small or long. Small. Small animals in the forest. Page number 23rd. Making a mistake is bad but correcting it is what? Good or wrong? Opposite of bad is good. The king was happy, but the people were. Opposite of happy is strong or sad. Sad. The girl is young, but the woman is old. Okay, pretty or old, then old is correct answer. Now, in number 4. Now, use letters. Here we are going to use letters with the help of doing words given below. Here some words are given. All of you write here letters. Number 1 is already done. The bell has rung. Let us go to the class. When bell has rung, you have to go to your class. Number A. It is very hot outside. Okay, if there is very hot outside, so let us what? Let us sit. Let us sit inside. Number B. Is tomorrow a holiday? Then let us क्या कल holiday है? Here is question then. Let us what? Let us ask. Let us ask the teacher. Rahim is sick. Let us take him to a doctor. It is 8 o'clock now. Let us have breakfast. It is very late. Let us walk fast. All of you do this exercise in your book. Page number 24. Now fill in the blanks with also. Now fill in the blanks with also. All of you write here also. Mohan knows English. He knows Hindi also. I went to Delhi. My brother also went with me. He knows driving. His sister also knowing driving. The king is very kind. He is wise also. Understood? Now, in number 6, you all can see rewrite. Rewrite means फिर से लिखना है इसको. Rewrite the sentences using a capital letter in the beginning. Beginning, that means in the starting you have to write here capital letter. In number A you see he is 12 years old. Then H is here small, you write H in capital. When you going to start write anything, you have to use capital letter always. The first letter is always in the capital letter when you going to start writing anything. So here is H E. He is 12 years old. My bag is new. M become capital letter. My bag is new. She paints well. S is capital here. She paints well. We like to play football. W is capital. We like to play football. The story is very interesting. Here is T small. You write this T in capital. The story is very interesting. Raju plays well. You write R in capital. Raju plays well. Now, long in page number 25, long sound of letter I. Here some diagrams are given. You feel this word with a long sound of I. Here you will write MICE mice, BIKE bike, MIKE mic, NINE nine, and KITE kite. Yes, some spelling quiz are also given here. Activity spelling quiz. Who is he? Fights for the country. Who fights for our country? Soldiers. SOLDIER. Soldiers. Soldiers are fight for our country. Here is bird. Flies in the sky. Who is flying in the sky? Birds. BIRD. Bird. Here is the which bird it is? It is a peacock. Dances on seeing clouds. When it sees clouds, see dances. Who dances? PEACOCK, peacock. The color of a parrot. What is the color of the parrot? The color of parrot is green. GREEN, green. Biggest water animal. Who is biggest water animal? Whale. WHALE. Whale is biggest water animal. Now class 2, your 4th chapter is completed. The lecture video is also given here where I explain this chapter very nicely. All of you see that video and write question answer word meaning dictation word in your fair copy and do all the exercises in your book and learn it also. Thank you.